Hello, in this video I will explain step by step how to apply for scholarship of the National Scholarship Portal NSP 2025-26, how to renew your application and how to check your scholarship status online, how to apply for new registration. I will teach in this video. This video will be very useful for students, parents and career advisors. The National Scholarship Portal NSP is a central government platform where the students from class 1 to PhD can apply for various central, state and UGC scholarships. Every year lakhs of students applying here for pre-matric, post-matric, merit cum means, minorities and central sector scholarship. To apply for this scholarship, first of all visit for official website scholarship.gov.in. This is an official NSP scholarship website. First of all, click on menu and click for apply for scholarship. After loading, click on, if you are first for this website, click on new registration. After click on continue. After loading, the new page will be open. First of all, read guidelines properly and click on the agreements, and through mobile number register to it and complete simple basic eKYC step and finish the step. The login details will be sent to your mobile number, and by entering your Aadhaar number and clicking on get OTP, the OTP will be received to your Aadhaar linked mobile number, and enter OTP and click on proceed. The new form page will be open where you can by entering the simple basic steps, name, date of birth, mobile number, account details and your studying current details, you can submit the form. After submitting the form, you can get your application number or tracking number. By that you can track your number. If you are renewing the scholarship, you can follow easy steps by clicking on login, enter your Aadhaar number directly, though new registration will be not needed for it. Enter your old application ID, password and update the details like current class, course and upload latest mark sheet. Submit the form. Remember, you must renew every year to continue receiving scholarship. After applying for the scholarship, if you want to check for the scholarship status, you can follow these easy steps. First of all, click on menu and click on check your application status. After that, you can see this website will be open, scholarships.gov. and other URLs. By that you can enter your application ID where you got while applying through the form. After submitting, enter password and fill the captcha. Select the year and click on it's fresh or renewal. After login, you can get your application status. Note some important things to remember. Use a bank account linked with your Aadhaar. Enter details carefully as mistakes may lead to rejection. Submit before the last date as deadline are strict. Keep checking your emails and SMS for updates. So friends, this is a complete guide to National Scholarship Portal, how to apply, renewal and status check. I hope this video helped you. If yes, please like, share and subscribe for us. If you have any doubt regarding this, please comment down. I will try to reply for it and solve your problem. Thank you.